Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this office chair that this brand sent to me for the video, and I need to say that I'm really impressed by this chair. I'm super impressed by this chair because, one, because of the shape. I'm going to show everything to you in a few seconds, but the shape, the way that it adapts to your movement, adapts to your back and how you're moving through the day. If you're gaming, if you're working from home, if you're editing or just doing some productivity or just watching a movie or something like that, the way that it moves with your body and contour your body, I think it's so good and super beneficial. This chair supports 440 pounds. 440 pounds. So that's insane because this is not one of those like big and tall office chair. This is kind of like a regular chair, like regular size, but it's extremely comfy, and the structure is so heavy and so well constructed that it supports 440 pounds, while some of the other chairs that is kind of like in the same spectrum of the size of this chair kind of like goes to 300 or 350, but 440, I think it's awesome. Look at this spaceship chair. Look at this command center chair from a spaceship. You can see right here, it comes with these pads that you can see that they kind of move. And this is one kind of like what is going to give you that really nice support on your shoulders and your kind of like upper back. You're going to see that this one, you can actually tilt it and you can modify it. So that's really good for your neck. But then right here, and that was my elbow, but this right here, this dedicated lumbar support, I think it's insane. The way that moves with your lower back area, with your lumbar area right here, the way that moves when you're moving, paired with this kind of like pads over here, which by the way, they're super cushioned, they're super padded. As you can see over here, you have pads everywhere. I think that's extremely comfortable. But also right here, you're gonna find that this one is super firm. So that is intended because the way that this chair works is going to kind of like take the most weight right here on this area. So that's why it's so firm. But it's also going to take some weight right here. So that's why it kind of like goes a little bit back and a little bit kind of like taking the pressure out of your back, your lower back area. But this right here, let me show you something super cool. Right here, you're going to find that this, you can actually put them forward and backwards, put them in an angle inside and in an angle outside, but also you can modify the height. So for gamers, that is extremely important because if you're kind of like gaming and playing like FPS games, having this to support your elbows, I think that's super good. But just modifying the height is also really good. Some other two good features that I love about the chair, besides the design. Take a look at the design of the chair. Take a look at how good it looks on kind of like a gaming setup or something like that. But then right here, you're going to find that comes with this dedicated and super long footrest right here that is not kind of like in this area, but it's more toward your ankles. So that's super good to actually work with the comfort when you're sitting. But then this pair with this right here. Oh, wow. Take a look at this. Take a look at how nice this is. Take a look at how comfy I am. I'm super comfy. You can see that I can rest my head over here. I'm 5'10", by the way, so I think this chair could be up to people 6'1", 6'2", up to maybe 6'3", I want to say, because it's super tall on that way. But take a look at this 170 degrees, I want to say, like close to 180, 170 degrees, probably 165, 170. But this is super nice and comfy for you when you're working from home and just taking your lunch, which is translated into a nap, I want to say. But then take a look at this. It comes back super nice and easy because it comes with this rocking feature, which by the way, you can lock in any position you want. As you can see over here, I can just go back a little bit and lock it. So now it's locked in that position. You don't have to go all the way down. I'm sorry about that. You don't have to go all the way back or all the way up. So you can do this, and that's pretty much it. And then this one, you just put it back just like this, and you roll it back, and that's it. This chair is a must-have for gamers, for productivity, for working from home. And of course, it looks amazing with this really nice spaceship look, I want to say. Extra comfy, super nice with all the features, and super nice on the construction and the comfort of these parts over here. I'm going to give it a huge 110% recommended with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.